Kaya ko.
His believing,
Ang kanyang paniniwala,
and his act
at yung kanyang ginawa
on what he believed
sa kanyang paniniwala
was based on what he heard.
ay base sa kanyang narinig.
And he was able to receive
At siya ay nakatanggap
what was spoken.
kung ano man yung sinabi.
Tonight,
Ngayong gabi,
if you will hear
kung ikaw ay makikinig
what God has said in the Word,
kung ano yung sinasabi ng Diyos sa'yo,
that healing belongs to you,
na ang kagalingan ay para sa'yo,
and you believe it,
at naniwala ka dito,
and you speak it,
at iyong sinabi ng iyong
and
bibig,
you act on it,
at ikaw ay kumilos,
you can receive it
matatanggap mo
tonight.
ngayong gabi
Hallelujah.
ang kagalingan